Take a ride in the 2017 Honda CRV. CRV, a top recommended vehicle because of its car-like driving manners, good value, cool technology, and comfy interior. This vehicle has less than 25,000 miles. Here are some of this vehicle's great options: backup camera, power liftgate, remote engine start, stability control, anti-lock braking system, steering wheel audio controls, all-wheel drive, Bluetooth, leather-wrapped steering wheel, adjustable steering wheel, power steering, four-wheel disc brakes, floor mats, auto-dimming rear-view mirror, aluminum wheels, cruise control, universal garage door opener, climate control, AM/FM stereo radio. Your new ride is just a phone call away.